Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Xcite Z345 zero-turn mower. This mower has large front tires, an LED front light. This mower has a flip-up floor panel for access to your cutting deck. We have our seat. There's a 48-inch fabricated steel cutting deck. You have your spindles as well. This mower has large rear tires. There's the SmoothRide suspension system, as well as a 4-gallon fuel tank. This mower has a selector knob for your cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 4.5. Our engine has its guards. This is a 24 horsepower Kohler 7000 series engine. This mower also has the Hydrostatic Z345 Tuff Torq transmission. There's a plastic chute. You have your controls with the lights, hour meter, ignition, and throttle. Once again, this is an Xcite Z345 zero-turn mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.